Okay, Monty, I accept your challenge, but you know what? When you challenge me, you challenge my whole family. So here we are, we're going to do the challenge. Here we go. Wait, go ahead. We challenged the Andrew and Courtney South family, the Barney and Mary Lund family, and the Devin and Molly Cash family. Good luck, guys. You got 24 hours.
I challenge Savannah Rencher, Mackenzie Jackson, and Summer Lundberg.
I challenge Megan Jorgensen, Natalie Robertson, Megan Giles, and the rest of the Giles family who didn't already do it.
Dean Silverson, Fisher Ross, and the rest of the Ross family, and Tiny Carlos. Do that 24 hours. Challenge Thomas
Johnson.
Johnson. And the rest of the Johnson family.